Kounereria asamatuko abwangoiga abarai Abasubati kurwa chisekta ao nigo besokire na kugikiria egekorekyo ase batebire chingaki chia ikire Abasubati bamwenerete konyora obosibore bwabo boigo okoborigwa nigo kwarwegwa guchia Abasubati goesokia iri kurwanirira ebirogo ao iminsi yetu ya Kenya.
Abarai Abasubati korwa chisekta ao bakorire egeikaro asumo baganyo yomo ime county ya Nairobi asebasingereire gukwanera obwene bw'Omusubati ase amate. Abarai abo nigo baene kiribuna nigo Abasubati abange bagwetera amakong'u anenekera omusacha asirire ase bakunereriwa enibo ni amate. Sebatebire egekorekyo nigo gieturine chingaki n'Abasubati mbare n'obosibore bw'okonyora enibo.
Women's empowerment is not just a human rights issue. It's not just a justice issue. It is good business. It is good corporate performance. It is good organization efficiency. It is good politics. It is good security. It is good law. And it is good justice.
Leadership and governance require deliberate investment, mentorship, political support, and resources to ensure women are not only present, but influence where national priorities are, and for them to participate in setting those priorities. Justice delayed is justice denied. 1 in 3 Kenyan women has faced physical violence. 1 in 10 has suffered sexual violence. Behind every statistic is a life, a family, and a community that is scarred.
Ekerekyo abarai abo nigo baruro koboria gochia se chikambuni boigo chisekta ao kwenekia nkubwatie bare omubaro orio isaine bwokorika abangina korengana ne katiba.
And I'm here to confirm that as financial institutions, I think you are rallying behind the women agenda. I don't think there's any bank that doesn't have a women and a women division.
Guarantees equality, yet women still hold only 23.4% of National Assembly seats, far below the 2/3 threshold. Leadership representation is not only a constitutional imperative, it is an economic and moral necessity.
Nonye nabo nigo bakwanire emechando Abasubati bagwetera ekero bare asoborai.
But the factors that deter women from even leadership position, even within boards, remain the same. Stereotyping, equality, economic shifts, economic empowerment. The reason as to why women are not in parliament is financing for them to go out and campaign.
Additionally, a lot of the way security was conceived, the way security was organized, the way security was deployed, it was seen in masculine terms. And women were to be protected, were to be victims, were to be, nurtured and policed and so forth and so forth.
Arenayo boigo baruro koboria gochia Abasubati kwenekia nkurwanira bare ebirogo by'oborai ase obochori obonene bore mutwe. Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.